Infraworks 2021 now utilizes the power and precision of Civil 3D for corridor models. Once the user has developed the geometric design details and created the corridor model, they can import their corridor directly into Infraworks. Options have been added to give the user greater control of how they import alignments with corridors from Civil 3D. This improvement allows users to import all the calculated design elements or just select elements. Users can define the mapping of materials to apply to the corridor shapes, and the fully designed roadway corridor is placed in its contextual environment. Downstream functions, such as bridge and tunnel design, can be carried out on the detailed design geometry. The corridor model in Infraworks is read-only, but is linked to Civil 3D in a connected workflow. When revisions are made to the corridor, either alignment, profile, or assembly-related modifications, users can simply rebuild the corridor, save the changes, and easily update the connected Infraworks model. Users can select the corridor under Data Sources and choose the Re-import option. The updated corridor will automatically load in the model. Users can view the geometry of the entire corridor, including profile and section views. This added capability gives users greater control and helps to enhance the workflow connection between Civil 3D and Infraworks.